small amount of people know that red oil is produced not from the red mushroom named saffron milkcup, but from the so-called cabbage family plants, also known as Camelina. It is from this plant that we obtain Camelina oil. Camelina oil is widely available in grocery stores, but also as a preparation of Camelina oil with emulsifying additives in garden stores to combat aphids in organic farming. An excellent solution against aphids and many other pests that attack plants is the Camelina oil, which may be known to some people as an addition to salads, fish, or potatoes with great health benefits. In the past, when Camelina abundantly grew on all soils, it appeared only as a less attractive option, a cheaper substitute for animal fats. Against the background of other fats, Camelina oil is distinguished primarily by a favorable proportion of omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin E, and plant sterols. Camelina oil can be used in many ways, including pest control in the garden. Effectively fights aphids, spider mites, greenhouse whiteflies, thrips, honeyflies, and scale bugs, scale mites, shield mites, mealybugs. The product is based on plant ingredients, so it is completely natural, in the form of a concentrate to be diluted in water intended for the mechanical elimination of harmful insects and mites. The product works by covering the pests with a thin coating that immobilizes them and cuts them off from the air, which ultimately leads to their death. Dilute 10 ml of oil in 1 liter of water, mix well and spray the plants. Since the preparation has a contact effect, the entire plant should be covered very thoroughly, including insects and including the underside of the leaves. It is worth avoiding inflorescences and fruits so as not to hinder the collection of pollen by bees. Optimum effectiveness is achieved after performing several treatments every 7 days. You can perform any number of treatments during the season. Spraying should be done early in the morning or in the evening and on rainless days. It does not pose a threat to plant organs which do not show symptoms of phytotoxicity after using the oil. It can be used in virtually all stages of plant development and is safe for beneficial insects. Camelina oil. It is a very good solution during early spring treatments against pests that overwinter in the form of eggs, fruit spider mite, apple aphid, plum bollworm. It also shows high efficiency in destroying eggs laid in spring, such pests as pear honeybee or apple crustacean. This oil hinders the vital functions of these pests, leading to their death in a mechanical and physical way. This action consists in covering insects and mites with a thin, delicate, and sticky coating that makes it difficult to breathe, move and feed. It makes it difficult to stop the life processes and death of pests. The use of Camelina oil fits perfectly into the strategies of ecological integrated plant protection. In addition, such spraying helps to protect conifers from turning brown, and at the turn of winter and spring it protects plants from water loss due to frosty winds. The product can be used in houses, on balconies, and in gardens and allotments, in the cultivation of fruit, vegetable and ornamental plants. The preparation does not create a population of resistant pests. It is resistant to washing off by rain and does not require a grace period. The specificity based on Camelina oil does not show any harmfulness to human health and the environment. You can use it to protect such plants as apple trees, strawberries, raspberries, and ornamental plants. The product is intended to support the mechanical control of the hop spider mite, pseudo-spider mite, rose claw mites and mites, as well as small insects such as aphids, thrips, honey mites, shield mites, scale mites, whiteflies. It is an alternative to traditional chemical pest control agents.